you could be saving thousands of dollars by doing this one thing. What's up, dreamers? Welcome back to the channel, Jason Dreams Realty, back with another video for you. And today's video is about homestead exemptions. For many Florida residents, the homestead, your home, is the single most significant investment you'll ever make, and one that you work hard to protect. But with the cost of living and just inflation and things on the rise, it's really, really important to protect that investment. And there is a homestead exemption program in the state of Florida that not only will save you thousands of dollars on your taxes, but also will protect your home against creditors. So a homestead is a legal provision by the state offered to homeowners for a reduction in your property taxes for your primary residence. So in order to qualify, you have to be a primary resident. It has to be your primary place of residence, and you can file for that through the tax assessor's website. And you're going to need three things. One thing is you need a Florida driver's license. You are going to need your voter registration and your vehicle registration. And if you have those three things, you can file online for the exemption. And the way that, once you're approved, the way that it works is you can qualify up to $50,000 in exemptions. So if your property value is assessed at $200,000, you would qualify for the maximum $50,000 tax credit, which means that you would only be taxed on $150,000 of your property. So that is going to be the equivalent of a couple $1,000s for you. And it's super, super beneficial to have that in place, but not only for that reason, but also in the state of Florida, it is one of the best states to protect your home against creditors. If you file for a homestead exemption in Florida, if you declare bankruptcy or get a lawsuit against you, you cannot have your home, you cannot be sued for your home to be taken away from you. So that's really, really important. And if you were to pass away, that exemption would pass on to your spouse and to your children. So it is one way to protect your assets from potential creditors and honestly from financial predators. So the homestead exemption, the thing is you have to file before March 1st. So today is February 28th, which means you have hours in order to get that process started. It really only takes you about 20 minutes to fill out the application and submit it online. So make sure that you get started now. Don't lose out on that money. Protect your asset, protect your home, thousands of dollars. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Please go ahead and hit that like button, hit subscribe, so that the algorithm will boost the content of this channel, and Jason Dreams Realty can get in front of more people. If you have any questions, comments, or videos you would like to know more information regarding Florida real estate, go ahead and comment below, and I will make a video especially for you. All right, guys, don't quit your daydream.